Hello, good morning children. I am Rosa Ramani, working as English assistant ZPHS Gantiada. I am very happy to be here and this is a very good platform for us to learn something. And welcome to Vizianagaram Online School. I hope all of you are safe at home in this pandemic situation and also following our online classes as well. And I know most of you are following and you are also filling the worksheets also. Very good children. And now I would like to share something with you on 23rd session of this July, and you have learned about a story that is your first year from your textbook, Clever Tenali Raman. Yes, I think you have learned some of the content of the story, and as you know, I want to recapitulate some of the points from the story. And there are three main characters in this story. As you know, the king Krishnadevaraya, Tenali Raman the jester, and another important character is Chitravarma. What happened is, one day Chitravarma, a famous painter, came to the king's court, and the king was very pleased with the paintings drawn by Chitravarma, and he was very much pleased, and he praised it so much, and Chitravarma was rewarded by the king, and he thought for a while, and he was appointed as the main council of advisors in his court. And this is a shocking decision for Tenali Raman, courtiers, and also people in that country. Why? Because a painter can paint well, but he cannot rule the country, but he cannot give the suggestions for ruling the country. So Chitravarma was also shocked because he don't want to take that post, and simply he was rewarded by the king, and he want to be a good painter in the king's court, but he don't want to be a chief advisor. But he cannot express anything because the king may punish him if he reject the proposal. You understand, children? And ఆ ప్రపోజల్కి ఒప్పుకోకపోతే కింగ్ పనిష్ చేస్తారు. అందుకనే తన కోర్టులో ప్రధాన సలహాదారుగా నియమించేటప్పుడు ఆ మాటను, రాజుగారి మాటను కాదనలేక ఆ పదవికి తను ఒప్పుకున్నాడు. కానీ ఒక మంచి పెయింటర్గా అయితే తను ఉండగలడు, కానీ చీఫ్ అడ్వైజర్గా సలహాలు ఇచ్చే పరిస్థితిలో అతనికి చేత కాదు. యాజ్ యు నో, ఎవరి పని వాళ్ళు చేయాలి. ఏ పెయింటర్ కెన్ పెయింట్, and a king can rule the country, a poet can write the poetry. But what happened? He cannot take the proper decisions. All the decisions are irrelevant. What is meant by irrelevant? They are not proper. They are not proper decisions. అవి సరైన నిర్ణయాలు కావు. ఆ నిర్ణయాలన్నీ సరైన నిర్ణయాలు కాకపోవడంతో they all went to Tenali Raman to do something and they want to save them from the situation. Tenali Raman thought for a while and assured them. What is meant by assured? Promised. ప్రమాణం చేశారు. Yes, don't worry, I'll do something. He promised the courtiers and the people. Then what happened? One day Tenali Raman invited the king for his son's naming ceremony. You know as well, children, naming ceremony అంటే బారసాల. మన భాషలో, మన మాతృభాషలో, మన ఇంట్లో బారసాల. Whenever a new baby was born and మనం బారసాలు చేస్తాం, and all of the family members, they have given a name to the baby boy. In the same way, our Ramakrishna invited our king for the naming ceremony. And king was very pleased and promised Tenali Raman, I'll come to the ceremony. And he promised. Then what happened? The king came to the Ramakrishna's home, and Ramakrishna welcomed king with a bouquet of flowers. I am very happy, Your Majesty, you have visited my home. You are very happy, my Majesty. I am very happy. Yes, the king blessed the son. Dirghayushman Bhava. That means long live. దీర్ఘకాలం ఆయుష్తో బ్రతుకు అని రాజుగారు దీవించారు. So he was very happy, Tenali Raman, and invited our king and other courtiers for lunch on that day. Yes, they have sat for a lunch and started lunch. Just in 2 minutes, you know what happened? The king started crying, water, 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 water. The king started crying like that. Tenali Raman, what are all the dishes? They are horrible. They are very spicy. And other courtiers added some words. They have expressed about the dishes. Yes, I am very sorry, Your Majesty, and I'll introduce the cook to you now. What is meant by introduce? Make known. If we meet strangers, కొత్త వ్యక్తులను ఎవరైనా కలిసినప్పుడు పరిచయం చేసుకుంటాం. Yes, I am so and so. I am Rosa Ramani, working as school assistant. I am living at Vizianagaram. In that way, I will introduce myself. And in the same way, Tenali Raman wants to introduce the cook to the king. And he went and again appeared with a carpenter. You know what is meant by carpenter? Carpenter is a person who make the wood structures. Your Majesty, and he is a very famous carpenter in our kingdom. So I have appointed him as a cook for today's ceremony. Yes, ఇతను రాజ్యంలోనే చాలా నైపుణ్యం కలిగిన కార్పెంటర్ రాజుగారు. అందుకని ఈరోజు నేను ఈ బారసాల కార్యక్రమానికి అతని వంట కోసం నేను ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను. Are you crazy? Ramakrishna, the king said like that. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? How can a carpenter cook dishes? How can a carpenter cook dishes? He can cook. He can make wood structures well. But how can be a cook? How can he cook all these dishes? Pardon me, Your Majesty. And if a painter can become a chief advisor of our country, and why can't be a carpenter be a cook? Why can't a carpenter become a cook? So that's why I have appointed him as cook today for today's ceremony. And the king suddenly thought, and he was shocked, and he realized his mistake. వెంటనే రాజుగారు తను చేసిన తప్పుని తాను వెంటనే తెలుసుకున్నారు. And he said to Tenali Raman, Raman, you have opened my eyes. నువ్వు నా కళ్ళు తెరిపించావు. Yes, I have realized my mistake and asked the minister to make arrangements to send back Chitravarma as painter. Yes, Chitravarma was outburst there. Yes, Your Majesty, you have taken a good decision. I don't want to be in this post in the next second itself. I want to go back to my position back. I want to go back to my position, to the back position as a painter. And as a painter I can serve well, but I cannot continue as a chief advisor of this country. Very sorry, Your Majesty, and I am afraid of you and I won't express anything. మీకు భయపడి నేను చెప్పలేదు, కానీ నేను మంచి పెయింటర్గా ఉండగలను, కానీ నేను ప్రధాన సలహాదారుగా ఎలా ఉండగలను చెప్పండి. సో నేను ఉండలేను, కాబట్టి తిరిగి నా స్థానాన్ని నాకు ఇప్పించండి. ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ Then the king realized his mistake and praised Ramakrishna for his presence of mind. And all the courtiers all over assembled there. అందరూ అక్కడ ఉండే వాళ్ళందరూ గ్యాదర్ అయ్యారు. Yes, they have hailed. What do you mean by hail? Hail means praised. Praised Ramakrishna for his presence of mind. So in this way, Ramakrishna made the king realized his mistake. What is meant by realized? Understand. Yes, the king understand his mistake and sent back Chitravarma to his back position. So children, I think you could understand well. Yes, in so many times, Tenali Raman, because he is a clever person and he is full of with his presence of mind, saved the king and also the country lot of times. So we like the stories very much. We like Tenali Raman stories very much. Yes, I hope you understand well and read the lesson well, and also answer the Google sheet that was given in the description box of this YouTube link. And another important point is, you please fill the blanks with the capital letter. The answer must be started with capital letter. That's what I am telling, so that you can get 10 by 10 marks in this worksheet. Yes, children. Yes, I am very happy to share this story with you, and read well the whole story and learn the meanings from your glossary. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity, and I would like to thank our education department, Vizianagaram, for creating such a beautiful platform. Bye children, bye. See you later.